Me mainly things here for protection though. But you know what surprised me? The fact that Mr. Mullins tell we say Ranking didn't know about it.
And look over there, I think say no know nothing about it. And we are blame it is for him think.
So, when Ranking called him and tell him about it, I never hear him hear it from somebody.
No. But what it seem like is that them tell him say them are gonna make the hit. And tell him say must look the other way.
That means I shove them out. And now them are gonna feel like him betray them.
Whisper, you see if you stop a all-out war in a film community, him never have a choice. But if it is they just listen and go sit down and talk to the man, you see how much warning him get?
From Kingman go talk to them. And them don't go talk to him. That means that their mind make up, you know. You feel them really would have go off a Ranking.
Them would have signed them death warrant. What me know is that we have to find them. T, all of the place them want me tell you some go. Open the cameras them for me and tell me if you see any kind of action.
Alright. You say you got a shop, right, Bubbles?
Yeah.
Come look here. I know that what there. That what didn't look for me that too.
Butcher.
Till you see them there close by. And just wait till the coast clear to make them move.
That camera you can give you a 360. Are they so it cut off?
No. I'm not seeing no other camera. This is as far as it show.
T. Play that again. Is it close to Ity's place? You have another side. Near to the ball field, there's a gully. And it look like other side them a come from.
Yes. Whisper. Tomorrow we are go back to Spanish Town. And we are going to scour the place properly. You're going to stay up on the camera then. That's it for tonight. I'm going to go home go get some rest. Me see you on the first thing tomorrow morning. Just gear up on yourself, because tomorrow is going to be a long day.
Maureen, just go and do it for the number so fix things. Wake up this morning and my throat hurt me so. And that's some of my sense. I tried that already, it not work. Well, at least I got spend like a romantic weekend with him. Maureen, just bear with me for 1 or 2 weeks. And then me make you know. Well, they can get pregnant in 2 weeks. Alright, Maureen, I'm so call you back. May I get a call? Yes, Bubbles?
Tonian, you see anything else on the camera?
I just check the footage. I'm not see nothing. But yesterday when I check it, I see him come out of the shop with bread and sardine.
Alright. Make sure you call me if you see any kind of movements.
I think it'll get Grimey, bossy.